Hi, today I'm from OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Click to voice section and tap to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, we should click on the switcher, then just tap to more, I agree, tap to next. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want Assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, and after that when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.